Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to add member tags in WhatsApp group. So let's get started. Now, WhatsApp's latest update adds a handy feature that makes group chats easier to manage. With member tags, you can label people with custom names or roles so you always know who's who. Now to do this, simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Then from here, you want to open any group chat. So let's open mine. Then you want to click on or tap the group name at the top, scroll down. And at the bottom, you want to choose a member. You can also choose yourself. Then as you can see, this is where you can add a member tag. So let's go ahead and add a tag for myself. And at the bottom, you'll even see a preview. That's it. This is where you can add member tags in WhatsApp group. And now you know how to add member tags in WhatsApp group in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.